Okay, so 535, they're telling us to look back, and they're saying an official tennis ball. If you remember, or if we look back to 518 now, the official tennis ball had a rebound ratio of 0.555, right? 555. Okay, so A says, so it says, suppose you drop it from 10 feet. So if you drop it from 10 feet, that's the original height. And how high would it rebound after the first bounce? X. Let's just call it x1 so we remember its first bounce, right? Okay, equals 0.555, right? So 10 times 0.555, right? So x1 comes out to be 5.55, right, feet. And then for B, we want to do that to find the second bounce, so x sub 2. You know, now the original height is 5.55, and that equals 0.555. So x2 is 5.55 times 0.555, the rebound ratio. And we get 3.08 feet, 3.08 feet, 3.08 feet. And then C says, what about the fifth bounce, right? So C, so for the second bounce, we multiplied it by 0.555. So we could go in order. We could go in order now. So 3.08 times 0.555 would give us the third bounce, times 0.555 again would give us the fourth bounce, and then times 0.555 again would give us the fifth bounce. So let's do that. 3.08 times 0.555 three times gives us 0.527, right? So I get 0.527 feet. And again, whatever you round off to is fine, right? Okay, so this was the second bounce, the first bounce, and this was the fifth bounce, right?